In cases of arthritis, as we all know that it takes care of vata dosh and acts as a mild painkiller, it becomes helpful in painful conditions of arthritis. Now, whenever there is loose motion or vomiting, something in our body is actually thrown out, which has speed, and this action requires force to take these things out of our body. So movement and force are the physical properties of vata dosh or air element. And as we all know now that vata dosh can be controlled with the help of lime juice. So this speed, force or pressure wherever seen in our body controlled by the vata dosh get affected, we can use lime juice in those diseases. Also in cases of blood pressure, where blood and pressure, so pressure that is present in the blood is actually because of this vata dosh. Vata dosh, that is air element. Wherever we talk about pressure, it becomes the physical quality of this vata dosh. So in cases of hypertension, which ultimately lead to bleeding if not cured, we can use lime juice in our diet to facilitate and control the vata dosh, thereby helping increased blood pressure and bleeding. In cases of dandruff, if we take a hair wash mixing lime juice, a little bit of honey, or only lime juice and water, then it becomes useful because it is unctuous in its qualities. It relieves the dryness quality of vata dosh, and as we all know that dryness is one of the major causes of dandruff. It becomes useful in the cases of dandruff, and it also gives shine to our hair. So the unctuous qualities and the cleansing effects of lime water or lime juice become useful in cases of relieving dandruff. Excessive consumption of sour tasting food or sour tasting substances show effects like loosening our body, that is, the muscle tone is lost, and symptoms of osteoporosis are also seen on asthi dhatu, that is bones. Then dizziness, itching, then some symptoms that are similar to anemia, herpes zoster, swelling anywhere in the body, excessive thirst, and fever. These are the symptoms that are seen if we consume excessive amount of food that is sour in taste. Even though lime, lemon, sweet lime, orange and many other substances have sour taste in common, the actual qualities of sour taste will vary in all of them, making each of them a different substance. So each and every sour substance will not show all the qualities of sour taste. They will vary according to the conditions in which they grow, like the weather conditions and many other things on which the qualities of that particular substance depends. So now we all know that lime juice or lime water is not only helpful in weight loss but in many other diseases. I am deliberately using the word helpful because this is a substance that acts as a food and not a substance that acts as a medicine, because the substances acting as food are somewhat less potent, while the substances that are medicines show greater potency. So the food substances about which I talk every time will be helpful if consumed along with the medicines or included in your diet when you are undergoing treatment on these diseases. By knowing all the technical things that are given by Ayurveda, we can select our food substances easily. So keep watching. If you have any queries, then ask in the comment boxes below. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.